next concept we'll talk about applications of ecology. Why we are studying ecology? What is the need of studying ecology? Now, when we talk why is the need of ecology, like why is the need of ecology means, as man we have discovered a lot of things and we have shown a lot of growth. We are reaching the skies in the development, right? We have more developed than anything, any organism on the earth, right? So because of the high knowledge or the high growth, high advancement of the man, though he is advanced himself in the knowledge or in the manpower, he is not able to overcome, or he could not know the secrets of the nature. He could not beat the nature. So whatever man has developed, it becomes very small in front of the nature. So though man thinks that he has created nature or he knows every aspects of nature, but it's not like that. So what nature does, so nature shows his existence and presence to the man that no, I am your boss, you are not my boss. So this way of showing that nature is better or more than the human mind, then that will be occurring in the form of floods. We get natural conditions, natural calamities for which the man has nothing, no solutions resolved till now. Man has solutions for every problem, but it has no solution for natural calamities. So it is the way of nature to show its existence, its power, its presence to the mankind, and saying that yes, I exist here above all. So that is in the form of floods, in the form of rains. All these are possible because of the nature. So here when we are talking of now what comes in ecology, we are talking in ecology about environment in nature. So when we study nature, we study about ecology. So in ecology we will talk about all the biotic, abiotic components of the particular nature, or we can say particular environment, and we can know what is the basic aspect or what is the background of that particular environment there, what are the possibilities there, what are the adaptations there, that all can be used for the development of the organism or for the development of the plant growth or animal growth or human growth. Now here this all applications of ecology can also be useful when we are talking in terms of the environmental problems, population problems, pollution problems, ecosystem or human survival problem, pest control. All these problems are solved by knowing the awareness of our ecology. Now, if we know that when we are studying ecology, we will be having a total knowledge about that particular area, its atmosphere, its biotic, abiotic components, what is the vegetation, what is the plant growth, what is the animal growth, what type of soil is there. All this will be taken into considerations, which can help us to solve many problems. So this is the basic need and basic use of application, and this all will be related to the individual organisms and help in the growth of the organism in that particular natural habitat. Okay.